you guys ready, skaters? Go one by one. Come on, P. That was just a warm up. Don't take it serious. Come on. What happened to the crowd? Chill, come on. Take it slowly, guys. It's not a competition. Slowly. Breathe and pray. Help me. Let's go, Ame. Let's go, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Come on, cheer up for Maddie. Come on. Let's go. Mantre. Let's go. Let's go, P. Maloy, come on, Maloy. Make some noise. Let's go.
on. Let's go. Malay. Come on, Malay, do your thing. Cheer up for Malay. Come on, Hamid. Let's go, let's go. Cheer up from Hamid. Get it, Maddie. Let's go. Yo, cheer up, guys. Let's go. That was sick, bro. Come on, Maddie. The speediest speed mixer of Meghalaya. Come on, do your thing, bro. Cheer up, guys. Cheer up for Maddie. Come on, P. Yes. Whoa, cheer him up. Nice, back to back. Please clap for these guys, man. Why is the crowd so... Come on, Hamid. Come on, cheer up. Why is the crowd so quiet? Come on, cheer up. Let's go! Let's go! Come on, hype up Maddie, come on. Come on, homie.
What a tornado! The tornado! The spinning of the match! Oh, that's some great shit. Cheer it up for Hami. Now Marlo is back in the game. Marlo is doing his thing. Marlo is spinning. He started spinning. The wall of tornado. The wall is with him. The wall is spinning right with him. What a trick! That's the greatest trick in the world you've ever seen. Now, Martin is coming right up. Martin is doing his switch with his leg. He's switching his tires. He's switching front and back. Oh, he's flipping. That's a 180, 360. Oh, 460. What a trick. You may have never seen that trick, man. Now Hami is coming right up. Hami is back. He's doing his front trip. Oh, what a 360 spin with a tornado flip. Woo! Cheer it up for Hami.